Hi, I'm Tasha from the blog Designer Trapped in a Lawyer's Body, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily clean, protect, and remove ink from your leather using Mohawk's leather cleaner system. Mohawk's professional leather system is really easy to use. So you always want to start with the cleaner and just put a small amount on a sponge, and then you want to squeeze it until you see foam up here. And then just use it to wipe on your leather. And you're going to allow that to dry. So after you've cleaned your leather, the next step is to use the leather protector. And you're just going to squeeze a small amount onto a white lint-free cloth and gently rub it on your leather. And you're going to want to repeat this every few months to keep your leather really well protected. And after you've rubbed it on and you have coverage everywhere, just let it air dry. If you ever get an ink mark on your leather, just know that you can use Mohawk's ink remover to remove it from the surface. The sooner you use it after the mark is made, the better. It's a clear stick, kind of like a glue stick, and you're just going to gently rub it along the ink mark, and you can see how easily that comes up. I will tell you that it's going to be much more effective if you've already used the leather system protector to protect the surface. But if you haven't protected the surface, this should still work well. It just may take a few extra passes. So after you've rubbed it out, then wipe the excess off with a clean cloth. And it's that simple. After you've removed the ink with the ink remover, you're going to want to use the cleaner and protector again. And for best results, you always want to use the leather system cleaner and protector as soon as you bring your new leather pieces home. And to maintain best results, repeat it a few times a year.